Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL 3X from 2020 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find the settings. Now let's scroll and tap on apps. And here we have to tap on Special App Access. At the very bottom of the list we've got Install Unknown Apps, so let's enter. And here we've got the list of apps which are not allowed to install anything. In order to change it, for example, in order to allow Chrome to install something, simply find it on the list, tap on it and click on this switcher. Now let's get back, and as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on you will be able to install something from Chrome. The same situation will be, of course, for other apps, for example for the Gmail. Just tap on it, tap on this switcher and get back. If you want to turn it off, just find the app, enter it and tap on the switcher again to turn it off. So that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your ALCATEL 3X from 2020. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.